Hi everyone, today we're going to be revisiting a project that I worked on a while back. It's the 3D sculptured relief of the Hero Relic collection. This relief was originally mounted on a 6mm plywood backer, which was okay, but I wasn't really happy with it. So I'm going to today improve on this project. And to start with, we're going to be working with my airbrush. Okay, that's the first part of the project done. Excuse the compressor running. I wanted just a green cast over the wood so that the grain still shows through. So now we'll move on up to the workshop and get this laser cut. So I've designed a new frame for the 3D sculpture in light burn. I've sent it over to the laser and we're doing the engraving right now, so let's take a quick look at that. By the way, I'm Paul and I run Laserwood Creations here in the UK. If you're enjoying what you're watching, please like and subscribe to the channel and follow along with what I make in the workshop. That's the new frame cut for the 3D sculptured relief. Now it's back to the craft studio to put it all together. We're now at the xTool F1 and we're going to engrave the generic stats on the back of the frame. So here we go. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. As always, the F1 has produced absolutely stunning engraving quality. Now let's move over to the bench to bring everything together. So now I've brought all three pieces together. The 3D sculpture is fully framed in its frame, along with the stats on the back, as you can see. And if I just bring the original version closer into the shot, I think that is a really big improvement and it fits perfectly on the stand.